Stickman videos on YouTube are going viral right now across different niches, and these channels are crushing it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this too. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Stickman Visuals and select it, then click on Start Chat. This GPT model can create 7 text-to-image prompts based on your idea, script, or image. First, let's look at an example using an image. Upload an image you want to use inside the GPT. The model will then give you 7 text-to-image prompts. Copy the first prompt that the GPT model gives you. Now go to OpenArt. Click on the Image tab and then on Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro and paste the text-to-image prompt that the GPT model gave you. Set the size to 16:9, the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want and click Create. You'll see that the image it creates matches very closely with the image you uploaded to ChatGPT. They look almost the same. Next, you can also generate prompts based on just an idea instead of an image. Type something like "walking in the Netherlands" into the GPT, and you'll get 7 new text-to-image prompts. Again, copy the first prompt the model gives you, go back to OpenArt, paste the prompt, and click Create. Now you'll get images with a Stickman character walking in the Netherlands. Besides the main prompts with Stickman characters, the GPT model also gives you 2 extra text-to-image prompts without Stickman characters. You can find these 2 prompts at the end. Pick one of these prompts, go back to OpenArt, paste it in, and click Create again. Do the same with the second one. You'll notice that the images Nano Banana Pro creates are related to your idea. In this example, you'll see bikes and Dutch canals, which match the theme of the Netherlands. There's one more method you can use, and that's working from a script. Simply paste a script you've written into the GPT, and the model will again give you 7 text-to-image prompts based on your script. After you've copied all these prompts and generated the images in OpenArt, you can turn them into a full story. You can keep them as images, but you can also choose to animate them. To animate your images, download all the images you created. Then search in ChatGPT for a GPT model called SeeDance Prompt Engineer. Now upload all the images you've made. This GPT model will give you image-to-video prompts in a JSON output for every image. You can also upload just a single image and describe what you want to see in a short line. In this case, type static camera because you want the camera to stay still. If you don't do this, you might get a shot where the camera moves around, and that's not what you want. Adding static camera helps prevent that. The GPT model will give you 5 image-to-video prompts. Pick one of the JSON outputs it gives you, then go back to OpenArt, click on the Video tab, and choose Image to Video. Select the model SeeDance 1.0. This is one of the best video models for 2D, and it's also one of the cheapest. All the video models have been tested, and this one stands out. Upload the image you created, paste the JSON output from the GPT, set the resolution to 1080p, and click Create. You'll get a video like this. If you want, you can upscale the video by clicking on the extra buttons, but that's not really necessary. The last thing you need for Stickman videos is a voiceover, and you can do that easily in ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech, paste the script you wrote, and click Generate Speech. Now you've got your voiceover ready.
POV, you grow up as Cristiano Ronaldo. I wasn't born special, I was hungry. While others slept, I trained.
These are all the tools and steps you need to make Stickman videos in any niche you see on YouTube right now. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.